Don't worry, bro. I'm laughing like this. Bro, I am okay. Until now, I loved taking a walk at night. It was better to be with my bro on a quiet night. But when I got home, my back leg hurt. Brother, I've never seen your sad eyes in my 10 years of life. What's wrong with you? I'm laughing like this. Thank you for bringing me water when it was hard to walk. I'm so sleepy. I'll go to bed first. See you, Tomorrow.
Momo, come on, wake up. It's morning. What's going on? You don't look good. Humans are weird because they go out early every morning and come back late at night. Am I right? Humans come home at night.
어떻게 올라왔어? 다리 아픈데. 응?
I'm sorry I couldn't welcome you, bro. Your body smells like fumes and sweat. Did you go for a walk alone, bro?
Human, I've been taking care of Momo all day. I think it's better than yesterday. So don't worry, human. Go to the hospital for Momo, human.
You know what? I'm scared every time I come to the hospital. But I think it's better because I'm with you and my sister. The doctor told me I'm the nicest dog I've ever treated. So you don't worry. You made I have brave, and I always be with you. My aunts and uncles don't have to worry about me either. Thank you very, very much, and I love you, everyone. See you next time.